what do you know? The manhunt apparently has not gone anywhere. We have a guy in our area. We have a guy missing, and apparently they are still going after it. Haven't found him. And I have no idea how long can't talk, have been searching for, but I think they've been searching all day. And this them circling our house and town is starting to get old. So yeah. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Sort of. Maybe. Yeah. So, yeah, stuff. See if we can make it back to house before we get lost. That would be funny. Get lost in my own house, or family's own house, whatever. Words, whatever. And I don't see him. And maybe I should zoom out a little bit so you can actually see me. Because that would be funny. Oh, you see me? Hey, our lawn tractor, by the way. I never did get a vid done of that. But, oh, well, where's the stupid bird at? And yeah, I know it's been a long time since I did a video, but yeah. Anyway, I think I hear him coming again. Sorta. Can't see. Where are you at? Ah, there you are. Sort of. Zoom-a-ginage. There he is. There he was. There he be? Maybe. Don't ask me what the helicopter is, what for helicopter it is, because I honestly have no idea. Yeah, walking on socked feet on a very rocky deck. Not a smart idea. Anyway, where'd he go? Where'd the copter go? Copter! Copter! Ah, there, I see him going through the trees. Back there through the trees, sort of. Maybe I can't see him now. There, I can see him through the trees. Yeah, sorry if you guys can't see him, but oh well. So, yeah. Anyway, and down there's the coon dog. And that thing, is a very old crappy statesman.